2023 started on an optimistic note, and overall things have been going good for international markets as a whole. Financial firms are forecasting a good financial outcome in the coming quarter, meaning a lot of new traders and investors are bound to move to the online trading system to benefit from the influx of financial assets flowing into the marketplace. This is where Sato4x comes in. Sato4x is an online broker that provides users with a deep insight into the global marketplace and how traders and investors can use the plethora of its tools to expand their asset portfolio and thereby also increase their profit margins. Sato4x has some of the most advanced trading tools when it comes to asset management, and its on-site educational resources always come in handy when dealing with a new asset category. Considering the diverse nature of the global marketplace, Sato4x is in a great position to serve its users when it comes to accessing international finance hubs. Sato4x also offers a wide range of account options, making it much simpler for beginners to learn on how they can adapt to changing conditions, all thanks to the updated market charts that the site also provides. The withdrawal system is also quite responsive to requests, which makes the trading cycle much more streamlined. As more economic zones enter the global marketplace, Sato4x is bound to play a central role in assisting the influx of traders on how to access the markets and to actually contribute their fair share to increase their investment returns. In short, online trading in itself has helped millions of traders contribute to their local economic zones, and platforms like Sato4x are essential for supporting the next generation of investors looking to become full-time traders.